rubber band, wheat and glitter pasting. Today we will decorate the flowers and the pot with glitters, rubber bands and wheat grains. First, color the pot as shown in the picture. Then, apply glue on the area left to make flowers. Paste 4 rubber bands to make 4 petals of a flower. Make other flowers in the same way. Now, paste wheat grains on the pot. Finally, paste glitters inside each rubber band to complete this picture. See, your beautiful flower pot is ready with colorful flowers. Leaf impression. Today, we will make a plant with the leaf impression. First, draw a plant with enough branches and a stem. Now, color them brown. Then, color some leaves in the green watercolor and give their impressions on the branches. A beautiful plant is ready. Scratch crayons. It's an entertaining activity. You will be surprised to see the output of your drawing. It looks difficult, but it isn't. Take an ivory sheet or a thick white paper. Cover the sheet completely with bright crayons. Make strips with each color. Now, fill up the whole sheet with black paint. Make sure the paint is not too watery. Completely fill it up so that no color underneath is visible. Start scratching a picture on the sheet with a comb. Use your imagination to make the landscape. Make texture for the sky and the land. See, your picture is ready to frame.